to mud and debris flow ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burned scar will result in mud and debris flows. The debris flows can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazards. The debris flows are caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bobcat and Ranch to Burn Scars, Mount Wilson, Glendora, Monrovia, Angeles Crest Highway between Mount Wilson and Mount Waterman, Sierra Madre, Azusa, and Arcadia. A flash flood warning for a recent burn area means that flooding and debris flows are imminent or occurring. Residents living in or immediately downstream should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Quickly move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the highest location in their home to stay out of the path of fast-moving water and debris flows. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.